I will show you some of the important terms that I'll be using in this tutorial. So this is a edge piece, okay? This is a corner piece, okay? And every center piece will not move, or the color will not change, whether I'm going to move up, face rotation, left, right rotation, downward, anyone. This face will not get changed, okay? So anyway, let me scramble the cube first. Okay, so this cube is well scrambled. So we will pick a base color. Let's say I pick this white, which is a base color for me, and top one will be yellow. So let's start with the base color, and here we find the pieces with white and different color. So let's take from this one. This is a white and red piece, so I will match with this red with red. If you can see this red will match with this red, so it is a one match. Let's take a different one. Here I matched the green one with green, okay, green with green. Let's take the different edges. Let's say this is orange white, so I need to take this orange with match with this one, and I'll rotate it 2 times so that we can get an orange piece here, okay. Also with this blue, okay. So this one is a simple solving in the first layer for the edges, only the edges, not the corner pieces. Up till here is clear. Now we need to rotate these corner pieces. So how the main logic is, I need to take these corner pieces to the back side, okay. Here it is. This corner piece, blue, is matched with this blue, and I need to take this white piece to here. So this corner piece is in correct location. Let's take another example. We have matched with this orange with orange. So now this corner piece is in correct location. Let's take different one. This green is also matched with this green face, so I need to take this back, fix it, then unfix it. So it is this corner piece is in correct location. Are you getting this? Also, obviously this one would be also matched to get this. So first layer is solved, okay. Now let's go to the second layer. For second layer to get solved, we need to take the pieces which are not yellow, or either piece is not yellow. For example, in this case it is red and blue. So first thing you need to do is match with red, and you find this blue piece on top, and this blue piece is at the left. So if it is in the left, go to the right. I'm repeating again, the blue piece was on the left, the face was on the left, so you should go to the opposite side, which is here. So blue piece in the opposite direction. At the same time, this face should get up. Again, rotate on the same direction as you did before, and then come back, and here it is. This piece should get here, okay. Now this piece got transformed or translocated at this position. Let's take different piece. Here it is. This orange piece is in the correct location, but this piece is different from the other piece, so we need to take this piece and place it here. So what is the location or the algorithm that we use? Take this piece, rotate in, or on the top is there's a green, and there's a green here, so go to the opposite direction, same face up, then again same direction, go down. This white piece should get here, okay. So this piece is at the correct location. Let's take different example. Okay, red. Go to the red, okay, and this green piece is at the right location. Now are you watching this? This is the right location. Opposite, same face up, Then again come down, white, this white should get here, and here it is, complete, 2 layers complete. Okay, now there are many cases to solve this upper layer. One algorithm is you can do this. Okay, so you got a fish. Okay, there's a fish here, and from taking this fish to the left corner, we will go here. Okay, so we got a yellow face. From this yellow face we will going to solve this cube in a rapid way. Okay, so before going further, let me show you some combination that this also may appear if it is not. Your yellow face should have looked like this. Okay, now what are you gonna do? You can do the same algorithm, or if you get this sign, only this sign, you can take this to take 2 layers at a time, up, and here it is. Okay, so this is a combination of many moves. I'm repeating the move again. Okay, so we got a straight line here. From this straight line you can go, here it is. Now let's take a different move to make it yellow face. Okay, one move you can do. Okay, let me show you the face here. The face is looking like this. Okay, okay, a different shape is again formed. Let's go to the same algorithm again. Okay, we got a plus. One algorithm which can make this plus into a full yellow, which is like doing like this. Okay, we got a fish now. From this fish, go to the bottom left corner, making this fish face to the bottom left, and do this algorithm. Okay, we got a yellow face. Now from this yellow face I will begin my tutorial. Okay, so we have green, match with this green. Okay, from back side, just follow me. This yellow face, watch this yellow face. This through yellow. Make a straight line to your in front of you. Take one piece, which is down in the white face. 2-point rotations, 2 yellows. Take one yellow, put it here. Again, refix all the changes. Okay, now we got various permutations for different, I can say the third layer has different permutations on its pieces, orange pieces as well as the green pieces, I guess. Yes, right, no worries. Now from here we can do the move again. Okay, okay, now one move I can show you. Holding this cube in any direction, because all the colors are looking symmetry, you can hold this cube like this, face 2 times down. Okay, and upper layer you can rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise, doesn't matter, and you go to the middle split. Okay, rotate it, come back again. Okay, now we have this green face completely filled, and only remaining edges which are here 3 times. Okay, 3 points are actually in cyclic May, and this is already in correct location. Okay, now here it is the main trick is here. Hold the cube in symmetric way so that the back face is completely filled. 2 times rotation, and this is blue color. Find the blue color in the left and right. We find this blue color in the left. Bring this left here on the same position of the blue color. Okay, now middle split, rotate the upper layer 2 times, M times here. You can bring back the middle layer. rotate it, and you can just match it up. Okay, so it is the main thing you can do it. How we can solve this cube? Let me repeat this again. We have done the first layer, okay, then second layer and third layer. Third layer is based on the total number of permutations, and the first layer and second layer is based on, you can say, just the intuitions. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.